you cook it first with the skins on, and you have to steam them. You prick the potato and you steam it, and then you put them in the fridge for 4 hours.
Oh, okay.
So, and some salt. There's 2 tablespoons of salt, or teaspoons. Heaven forbid tablespoons. 3 egg yolks.
Some cheese.
Half a cup of Parmesan cheese.
Okay. Are there 2 different types?
Yes.
Okay.
I just had 2 different types.
Both Parmesan.
Yes.
Okay.
So, and then 2 cups of
Flour.
flour. And then try and get it so it combines more.
Okay. You can feel the cheese. My mom says I'm bad at making rotis.
So just squeeze it together so you can see if it's all combined. And just sort of roll it like a big sausage.
Okay.
And then on the mat, just roll it. And the best way is you start one side way and just go to the end.
Oh, okay.
End of what?
And if you keep your fingers spaced,
Okay.
you'll find that will keep it down. Try and get it a bit more even here. See how?
Okay.
And even do 2 hands. Tray.
It has to be even, right?
Relatively, yes. Now with a knife, you sort of cut it on the diagonal.
Oh.
That's a knife for you. And you go like that. But try and flick it away. That's it.
Good.
And you just put it on the tray.
Okay.
With a fork, and you can do it in there, you
That's
just
good.
do that.
Yeah.
And the idea of that is to put the grooves in so the sauce can get into it a bit more.
Increase the surface
Surfacing,
area.
yeah.